Hello students, welcome to the Physics of class 12th. We are studying the electrostatics and this is our video lecture number 8. I hope you knew about the electric field and magnetic field, two types of field which are famous in the physics, and I hope you also learned about these things, how we can draw the electric field and how we can draw the magnetic field. Remember, with the help of test charge we can draw the electric field, my dear students, and with the help of magnetic compass needle we can draw the magnetic field, my dear students. Today I will start properties of the electric field lines of force. My dear students, look here. These are the electric field lines which we can draw with the help of test charge. Now I am going to teach you what are the properties of the electric field lines. My dear students, on very first number, first of all, I will tell you, look here, these are the electric field lines. On very first number, first of all, I will teach you electric field lines. My dear students, you have to remember all these points. Electric field lines start from positive charge and goes toward the negative charge. Yes, my dear students, here I want to write these are topics, these are points. Electric field lines, yes my dear students, electric field lines of force. Yes, my dear students, electric field lines of force start from positive charge, and end on negative charge. Yes, my dear students, remember these things. I taught you electric field lines of force start from positive charge and end on negative charge. Just like magnetic field lines of force start from the north pole and goes toward the south pole. But look here, on second number, I will teach you, my dear students, electric field lines of force do not make the continuous curve. Yes, my dear students, I am teaching you electric field line of force do not make the continuous curve. It means line will start from the positive charge and it will terminate on the negative charge. Again, it will not come from the negative charge towards the positive charge like the magnetic field lines. My dear students, look here. Here I want to tell you about the magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines originate from the north pole and goes toward the south pole, and inside the magnetic field lines of force moves from the south pole toward the north pole, my dear students. Thus you can see magnetic field lines of force makes the continuous curve, but electric field lines of force do not make the continuous curve. Yes, my dear students, here I will put the arrow in one direction, but on outside, here I can put the arrow in this direction, but inside the magnet, my dear students, I can put the arrow in this direction. Look, the third property of the magnetic field lines of force. My dear students, if we will draw the tangent, yes, my dear students, if we will draw the tangent on the electric field lines of force, then that tangent, yes my dear students, look here, then that tangent, so the direction of force experience, or here I want to say experienced by test charge. Yes my dear students, look here, I want to clear this point. These are the electric field lines which originate from the positive charge and move towards the negative charge. My dear students, if I will draw the tangent on the magnetic field line of force, then that tangent show the direction of force experienced by test charge. Yes my dear students, like same way, if this is a bar magnet, this is north pole of bar magnet and this is the south pole of bar magnet, and these are the magnetic field lines of force. My dear students, if I will draw the tangent on this place, then that tangent show the direction of force experienced by the magnetic compass needle. Yes my dear students, this tangent show the direction of force. If this is an electric field, then this tangent show the direction of force experienced by the test charge. And my dear students, if this is a magnetic field, then this tangent show the direction of force experienced by the magnetic compass needle. Yes my dear students, let's move on the fourth topic or fourth point. My dear students, look here, try to pay their attention. I am going to teach you fourth properties, fourth virtue, fourth characteristics of the electric field lines of force. Look here, two electric field lines of force do not intersect to each other. Yes my dear students, two electric field lines of force do not intersect to each other. If they do so, then there will be two direction. Yes my dear students, if they do so, then there will be two direction of force on intersection point. My dear students, intersection points which is impossible. Yes my dear students, look here, I want to clear this topic. Two electric field lines or two magnetic field lines of force. Suppose these are the electric field lines of force. My dear students, it will be never happen. And if these are the magnetic field lines of force, then this will be also never happen. Two magnetic field lines of force never intersect to each other, and two electric field lines of force, my dear students, never intersect to each other. Look, what is the problem? If they do so, then there will be two direction of force on this intersection point. This is impossible, my dear students. Look here, if two magnetic field lines of force will intersect to each other, then there will be two direction of force on this point. which is impossible. My dear students, this was the fourth characteristics, fourth virtue, fourth property of the electric field lines of force. Let's come on. I am going to teach you fifth property of the electric field lines of force, my dear students. Electric field. Here I want to tell you in the term of fourth property, my dear students, electric field lines of force. Yes, my dear students, electric field lines of force do not enter in a conductor. Thus we can say, yes, my dear students, thus we can say electric field inside the conductor will be zero. Yes, my dear students. If this is a metallic sphere and you will ask the question with me, sir, tell me what is the magnitude of the electric field inside this hollow metallic sphere, my dear students, then I will tell you zero. Because electric field lines of force do not enter in the conductor. Yes, my dear students. Inside the conductor, the magnitude of electric field is zero. Come on the sixth topic, sixth term, 6th point. Look here. Remember these things. Always we are studying the properties of the electric field lines of force. And this is our sixth term, 6th point. Here I am going to teach you electric field lines of force have a tendency to stretch my dear students, like a elastic string. Yes, my dear students, like this way. We are studying this property. Electric field lines of force have tendency to spread like a elastic string. This so the attraction between opposite charges. Yes, my dear students. Come on, the 6th, 7th property. Look here. Here I will tell you electric field lines of force have tendency to repel each other. Yes, my dear students, electric field lines of force have tendency to repel each other. Along the perpendicular direction of their length. And here I want to tell you this, so the repulsion between two like charges. Yes, my dear students, I am teaching you this property. At last, my dear students, I want to tell you this electric field lines of force are imaginary, but the electric field which is excited by these charges are real. Yes, my dear students, thus I completed my topic of today's video lecture. Thank you.